Should you be concerned with all of the trade war talks, or is it just noise? We spent last week scouring the markets to see if money is coming out of the market or if we're just seeing a healthy rotation into some new sectors. Tune into the rest of the video to find out what potential opportunities we have for the months ahead.
The markets rebounded nicely last week, with most of the U.S. indices up around 1% or more. The Dow Jones for the year has still been the lagger, down about 1%, while the Nasdaq and the Russell 2000 are both up over 10%. Foreign stocks were up about 0.5% last week, while emerging markets were down around 0.6%, and emerging markets still year-to-date down about 7%. The chart of the week this week is of the Nasdaq Biotech Index. And if you're not familiar with biotech, if you could think of technology and medical combined, that is what biotech is. Two of the larger names that you may have heard of in biotech include Gilead Sciences and Amgen. If you look at the chart in front of you, towards the bottom of the chart, in April and May, you can see that biotech made lows right around 31.50. Now through July, biotech has really taken off and is up about 15%, up almost at 3,700. What we're focused on now is the blue box at the top of the chart. And as you can see, the high was put in February, and if we can break up above that high that was put in February, around 3,750, this is a sector of the market that we may be very interested in moving forward.
And now it seems like China is just forgetting negotiations with the United States and going to Europe to try to negotiate even a larger trade deal with the European Union. And word is that things are going well and they're excited about the opportunity ahead. Also, last week, non-farm payroll came out and 213,000 jobs were added in the month of June. But unemployment ticked up to 4% because hundreds of thousands of new people that were not counted in the labor force are now looking for jobs and considered unemployed. So things are still looking great for unemployment being at all-time lows. The biggest piece of news that came out last week was that the Federal Reserve released their minutes from their most recent meeting. The Fed members came out and said that they're very concerned about how hot the economy is running right now and that inflationary pressures could be driving up prices too fast, which could eventually lead to a significant economic downturn. And wrapping up the news from last week, trade wars officially started, and both the United States and China imposed $34 billion of tariffs on each other's goods. And a look to the week ahead, earnings season kicks back off. And if we can see another strong earnings season like last quarter, that could be the thing that makes the trade wars just noise.
And also, like Matt mentioned in the beginning, there are a few sectors of the market that we're keeping a close eye on. I had already talked a little bit about biotech, but we're also watching energy and aerospace and defense.
Thanks for watching, and we strive to give you everything that you need to know about the markets in 5 minutes or less.
If you like the information from today's video, like our Facebook page and share our video. Thanks.